Tired of digging through mountains of junk PLR? You know what I'm talking about, outdated, poorly written, just plain garbage that you wouldn't dare put your name on. It's a huge waste of time and money, and honestly, it can even damage your brand's reputation. But what if I told you there are hidden gems out there? High-quality, professionally created PLR that you can actually be proud to sell as your own. Well, stick around, because in this video, I'm pulling back the curtain and revealing my go-to sources for top-tier PLR that has helped me build a profitable digital product business without starting every single product from scratch. First things first, let's set the record straight. Using PLR is not cheating. It's smart. It's about leverage. Think of it like a chef using high-quality pre-chopped vegetables. It saves time on the prep work so you can focus on the creative part, the seasoning, the presentation, the final dish that is uniquely yours. The secret is knowing where to shop for those organic, farm-to-table ingredients instead of the wilted stuff from the bargain bin. Your customers deserve the best, and using premium PLR is the first step to giving them that. So, where do we start our treasure hunt? My number one recommendation is to look for specialized, niche-specific PLR stores. Forget those massive, all-you-can-eat membership sites that have a million products from 2008. The best PLR comes from creators who are experts in a particular field. Whether it's wellness, business coaching, parenting, or personal finance, these sellers take pride in their work. Their content is current, well-researched, and beautifully designed. A couple of my personal favorites are PLR. Me for the self-help and coaching space. Their content is created by an in-house team of writers, which ensures a consistent level of quality. Another great one is Coach Glue, which is fantastic for business coaches. They offer entire workshops and planners that are practically ready to go. Next up, let's talk about the importance of editable files. This is a non-negotiable for me. High-quality PLR providers will always give you the source files, like Canva templates, Word documents, or PowerPoint slides. Why is this so crucial? Because the whole point is to make it your own. You need to be able to change the colors, add your logo, switch up the fonts, and most importantly, rewrite the content to match your unique voice and brand messaging. If a seller only offers a flat PDF, run the other way. That's not PLR. That's just a resale product, and it gives you zero room for customization, which is where the real value lies. Always check the file formats before you buy. Another pro tip is to join Facebook groups and communities dedicated to digital product creators. This is where you get the real, unfiltered reviews. People will share their favorite PLR sellers and, just as importantly, warn you about the ones to avoid. It's like having a team of researchers working for you. You can ask questions, see what's working for others, and discover new, up-and-coming PLR creators before they become mainstream. Networking in these groups has led me to some of my most profitable finds. Don't just lurk, participate, ask for recommendations, and share your own experiences. Now, let us discuss a source that is often overlooked but can be a gold mine: creative marketplaces like Etsy. Yes, Etsy? Many talented designers sell PLR templates there. You can find beautiful planners, journals, workbooks, and social media templates. The key here is to read the license terms very carefully. Some designers sell templates for personal use only, while others offer a commercial or PLR license. Search specifically for PLR templates or commercial use Canva templates. The advantage of Etsy is that you can see reviews and the seller's overall shop rating, which adds a layer of trust. Plus, you're often supporting a small business owner, which is always a great feeling. So, to recap, focus on specialized, niche stores, demand editable source files, leverage the power of creator communities. And don't forget to explore marketplaces like Etsy for unique designs. Finding good PLR is a skill. But once you know what to look for and where to look, it completely changes the game. It allows you to create and launch high-value products faster, serve your audience better, and scale your business in a way that feels smart, not stressful. Stop wasting your time with low-quality junk. Invest in premium PLR, put in the work to make it your own, and watch your digital product empire grow. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building a thriving online business. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite place to find quality PLR. See you in the next one.